By the way, this is what you do if you screw up. You take an X-Acto knife, or in my case a scalpel, and you cut out this little diamond, okay? I gave up on X-Acto knives. I just use a scalpel and you get like 100 blades, you know? Actually, you only have... Oh, you gotta cut here too. Shit, I need a new blade on here. Crap. Aha. Okay, that one's loose. So you cut the tape here. And you cut out the little diamond. Tape. It helps to have a sharp blade. I guess I haven't screwed up much because I still got this old blade on here. By the way, if you trade stocks, go check out ddamanda.com. There it is. Now all I gotta do is flip it around like it's supposed to be. Check out ddamanda.com. The spacing here is about 1/16 of an inch, okay? Make sure you get a parallel. And we're back to where we were. I only got 2 more strings to put on here. You guys get the idea. Glass on glass, baby. No fucking epoxy, all that other bullshit. All the big companies are going glass on glass now. But every one of my panels is glass on glass. They'll last 100 years. They'll last until the solar panels fuck up. Okay guys, bye.